Okay, well, breaking news. We've just got the very latest daily COVID statistics into us here at Sky News. There have been 119,789 new cases of COVID-19 recorded in the last 24 hours. Another 147 deaths have been reported within 28 days of a positive test. Well, that brings the total number of deaths in the UK to 147,720. Well, let's go straight to Sky's Ashna Harinag, who's in the newsroom for us this afternoon. Ashna, yet more record-breaking data.
Yeah, this is the highest number this figure has been since the pandemic began when it comes to those cases. 119,789 recorded in the last 24 hours. This is on top of the cases that we saw yesterday. Yesterday, as we heard, was a record-breaking day in itself. That figure sat at around 106,000. But there we go, in the last 48 hours, more than 100 cases of COVID-19, more than 100,000 infections being recorded. And that really does give you a sense of the scale, the prevalence, really, how much COVID-19 has spread throughout the UK, and we know that this is the Omicron effect. This is the one that is sweeping through the UK. We know this because the percentage of Delta cases is incredibly low in places like the east of England, in London, in the southwest of England, but also in the southeast. The cases of Delta remain stunningly low. It is the Omicron variant that is thriving. Just look at these figures. 1 in 45 people in England currently have COVID-19. In Wales, 1 in 55, 1 in 50 in Northern Ireland, 1 in 70 in Scotland. In Northern Ireland, that is the same as the week before, but in Scotland, that number is sitting at 1 in 70. Last week, it was 1 in 80. In London, though, it's 1 in 30 people that currently have COVID-19. Among them are many NHS members of staff. Across England, 18,829 NHS staff were off work due to COVID-19 as of the 19th of December. That is 54% higher than the week before. But if we focus in on the capital, where this virus has really taken off, the increase in staff absence due to COVID-19 was 152% on the previous week. Either those people, though, are off sick or they are self-isolating. London, of course, has seen the biggest increase in cases, hence hospital admissions here in the capital rising by 56%. Now, COVID bed occupancy is not only up here in the capital, but it's also showing a slight increase in places like the northwest of England, although that data is in the very early stages. The one glimmer of good news that we can hold on to, though, is that the number of patients who are in intensive care have not increased. So even though people are going into hospital, they are not severely affected by this disease.
Okay, Ashna, thanks very much indeed for that.